Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dan again from CryptoCamacho.com, and I'm so excited to review this ICO for you today, guys. I think this ICO has potential not only for investors like you and I, but also for active traders, for cryptocurrency traders, right? So if you're day trading, swing trading, or buying and selling any type of cryptocurrency, this could be a complete game changer for you guys. So I'm talking about an ICO called Carboneum. The ICO itself is not quite live yet. It'll go live in 27 days. Right now, you can apply for the whitelist. You can actually write them an email if you want to join the private sale. But the actual crowd sale starts on June 11th. So in 27 days, you can invest in this democratized social trading platform. And why am I so excited about Carboneum, right? So most of you know I am an active cryptocurrency trader. I do day trading, swing trading. I do long-term cryptocurrency investing. I tend to dabble in it all. And I find that this platform, Carboneum, is so interesting because what it's going to do, it's going to allow anybody to start trading with the professionals, with the big boys, right? With the expert traders. Carboneum is going to enable, anybody to make trades or to trade cryptocurrency the same way an expert would trade cryptocurrency. So for folks that don't have a whole lot of experience trading cryptocurrency or, buying and selling, this is the perfect platform for you because you can actually start buying and selling and trading cryptocurrency based on what experts are already doing. And this platform is a little bit different than others that I've seen because not only is it going to give you kind of a window into what the expert trader is buying and selling and, in showing you, but it'll actually execute trades at the same time as an expert trader, right? So that's pretty powerful stuff. A lot of the platforms that exist today, they do let you see what a trader is doing, like over a video screen, or they'll let you see what the trader is going to do or about to do, but it won't actually enable you to execute trades at the exact same time that a trader would execute those trades. That's what Carboneum is doing with smart contracts by using the Ethereum blockchain. They're actually going to enable traders to execute trades at the same time an expert trader may execute a trade, right? So for example, if I'm an expert trader, I'm about to make a trade, I'm about to buy Bitcoin at a certain price level, for example, I will press, buy, I'll put in my orders, whether they're limit orders, stop loss orders, whatever they may be, I will put those orders in and I'll make my trades, right? Well, now when I put my trades in, in this platform, anybody who's following underneath me can actually mimic those trades in real time. And when my trades are actually executed, their trades will be executed as well, even if they're not in front of a computer to execute it, right? Because the execution is going to happen based off of smart contracts. And the expert trader will actually be compensated based on the performance of that particular trade, right? And then Carboneum is going to profit on the back end from the trader, from the expert trader, and from the beginner trader because they're going to profit from both sides of the transaction all through smart contracts. I am so excited for this, not only because I'm a trader and because I think other people may want to follow me and copy my trades, but because I want to follow other people's trades. I want to follow expert traders, right? If you can see a trader that has, 90% accuracy rate, who wouldn't want to trade with them? Who would not want to follow their trades, right? And so I think this is going to be a very, very powerful platform for beginning investors, for folks that have a little less experience trading cryptocurrencies. This is truly going to be a game changer, right? So what is Carboneum? They're going to show you a dashboard like this, right, which shows buy, sell, or not. They're going to have a mobile app, all the basic stuff, right? But I want to kind of go through some of the nitty-gritty or the details of this ICO because I think it's very, very important. And I think this ICO has potential not only, as an investor to make money on the return as the coin goes up in value, but really as a trader, as somebody that just wants to profit from cryptocurrency. This is a great tool to be able to use to actually more effectively buy and sell and trade cryptocurrency at a positive ROI, right? Aside from even investing in the token itself, just using the product itself is valuable and has value, right? Which is why I like it. Okay, so trade like a pro. It is defined as a service which enables any users to take a role of follower giving the green light to them to duplicate the transactions of a leading trader. The greatest achievement social trading brought to this world is allowing new investors to simply take a shortcut and deem the need to educate themselves about financial product unnecessary, right? So you can go to any expert that you trust, and there will be a review and ranking system, right? Like Amazon, like a review system to tell you whether or not that trader is a good trader, an expert trader or not. And you're going to be able to see, based on past performance, how well this trader, trades. And if they're trading well and they're making money, there's going to be a following that's grown underneath them. And as that trader grows a following, they're just going to make more and more money. So they're actually incentivized to trade better and more effectively because they're going to be compensated from the people underneath them. They're going to be given a cut of their profits as they trade successfully, right? So that is a revolutionary revenue model that I think is kind of a fail-safe mechanism or method. It's very, very, very cool, very, very smart. Okay, sleep like you never have before because, you can put in a trade, it's executed by a smart contract, so you can basically just say, I want to make any trade that the expert trader is making, and you could go right to bed, and your risk is managed by the expert trader. As long as they have good ratings, as long as they have good reviews, as long as you trust them and they're showing a profitable trading history, you're good to go and you can relax, right? That's one thing I stress out about when I trade. I'm always stressed. Should I buy? Should I sell? Should I buy? Should I sell? It's stressful. It's very stressful, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Very stressful when you have a big size or a big position and you don't want it to go down. Very stressful. This alleviates some of that stress, right? Okay. Watch the True Whale. Whale Watcher feature gives you insight into the actions of a large investment management or leader portfolio and that manages millions of dollars worth of assets, right? So this platform is going to give you visibility into the whales, the people that have very, very large cryptocurrency funds that are making very large trades. You're going to have visibility into those folks. Why? Because they're going to want to get more followers because they're going to get more compensation by doing so, right? So it's kind of this transparent stock market, which I don't know how it's going to turn out. It's very, very intriguing how this is going to affect the markets when all of a sudden you have thousands of people that can now make the exact same trades as expert traders. It equalizes the playing field. It kind of flattens the world. And I don't know how it's going to actually disrupt or change markets and the market dynamics of how markets go up and down. I don't know, but we'll see, right? But if you're an early adopter here, you can make some tremendous gains and really have a good, first mover advantage over others, right? Okay, so here's the project description. Carboneum is creating a decentralized social trading platform named Coinradars. Carboneum is an openly distributed protocol owned by every single user. Where traditional social trading platform helps solve complexity problem, it still lacks transparency and remains vulnerable to single point of failure risk. This platform will completely immune to such problems. It's built and to be sustainable and scalable with sound revenue model, which it is. I mean, this revenue model is very, very smart. And I can't see... I mean, as long as leading traders are growing followings and they're making good trades, they're going to profit more and more and more. As long as investors or new traders are hooked in with the right expert and they're making money, they're going to stay hooked in with that expert, right? And they're going to keep making money. Carboneum, it's in the middle of both of those parties, right? So they're going to keep making money, assuming everybody else makes money. And I don't see how this doesn't work out great for everybody. This is a win-win all the way around the board, right? So, okay. Why Carboneum? Okay, so Stock Radars is a company that's been around for a while. It's Thailand's leading online stock trading and analytical platform. They've now formed this company called Carboneum to start democratizing social trading. They already have over, 680,000 app downloads of Stock Radars, not a small number. They're partnered already with 10 brokerage firms. They already have 4.8 million exclusive technological partners. It looks like that's financing. So they're already financed by partners and 25% market value. I'm not sure how they're calculating that, but that's all right. They have a very strong team. Look at their LinkedIn profiles. You can see all of their background. And I love it. I love this ICO. I mean, it could not be better. So here's the ICO itself. They are going to have a total supply of 120 million tokens. Here's how the distribution is going to work. Okay, this is very, very important right here, and I think this is the last piece I want to go through because this is important on how the platform works, okay? So, so here, this is how it works. You follow a trader, the group does, and social trading or copying trading is a service which enables any user to choose an expert trader to follow, establish a follower and leader type of relationship based on expected returns and risk preferences, and delegate the authority to execute copied trade orders automatically to the Carboneum platform via ECR20 smart contracts, okay? So that's how it's going to happen. You're going to follow this trading leader, and you'll be able to execute smart contracts and trades based off of smart contracts that you agree upon before the trades happen. Very cool, right? Here's where it gets interesting. Reward trading platform. In the event that users generate positive results from any trade copied from the leaders, users will be charged a certain percentage based amount of fee by the system, right? So if you make money as a trader because you're following an expert trader and you make money, a percentage of that money is going to go to Carboneum, right? Which is how they're going to make money. The system will then transfer the majority of that fee to the leader as a markup for their service, which the remaining amount being kept as platform's revenue, right? So the fee that's charged to the new trader is split between the expert trader and the platform itself. So the expert trader is always going to be making more and more money from the more users that they have underneath them copying their trades, right? The platform is always going to make money because the expert trader is essentially fueling the revenue that's coming in, right? And you can see how this would be very powerful if you have multiple expert traders and you have millions of low-level or new traders. You know, everybody's making money all the way around, and this is awesome. I love this platform. I want to get in on this, and I'm going to sign up right now. Apply for the whitelist. I still want to do the review, but I do want to apply for this whitelist right now because, I mean, I'm convinced. I'm convinced. I'll come back to this in a minute, but this is what you need to do to sign up for the whitelist. Gives you kind of information. I'll come back in this in a minute because I don't want to waste time on this video doing this, but woo, damn gee Willie. This is a good platform, and I'm excited for it. Okay, what else here? What else? Okay, so this gives kind of a little diagram of how it actually works, how the smart contract system works, so forth and so on. Okay, and this is really a breakdown. So this is what I love right here. Leader and follower agreed upon terms via smart contract. The trading happens and is executed via the smart contract automatically through the blockchain. In the reward, once the relay spots any movements, it will copy those actions and execute the trade orders to the followers and trading account proportional to the asset allocation. Wow, you can really just build your portfolio with this very simply, right? Okay, a lot of partners in this ecosystem, a lot more coming, a lot of press they're getting on here, even from Forbes, TechCrunch, because it's a freaking awesome idea. It's a fantastic idea. All right, check out the white paper, guys. Here's the fact sheet. It's an ultra light paper. It's the fact sheet of what the company is doing. You should be talking about this and showing this to people you know because this is a very concise way of looking at it. The white paper itself, pretty extensive, 35 pages, goes into the details. It's written in the form of like an abstract, so like a research paper. So it shows exactly how the platform works. I'm going to read through this a little bit more. But I am very bullish on this company. Okay, what is Carboneum? We've already kind of gone through this. Okay, that's it, guys. They have already 15,000 followers on their Twitter account, so they are established already. I could not be more bullish on Carboneum. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to throw all your money into it, but even if you don't want to invest in this ICO, I highly recommend you check it out as a product itself to use as a trader because I think you can make a lot of money by just following expert traders. There are other platforms like this, but there are no other platforms that actually pay or incentivize the leader with monetary incentives based on the number of people they have underneath them in such an automatic way as Carboneum is doing. This is revolutionary. This is going to disrupt many markets, and this is fun. It's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting to when they launch. If you are an investor, I would definitely take a look at this because this is going to be kind of Motley Fool caps on steroids. If you're familiar with Motley Fool caps on the stock market, this is going to be that on steroids. And check out what I'm talking about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you better recognize it because it is an opportunity. I'm Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. If you haven't subscribed already, please click on that little red button right below this video, and I will talk to you next time, guys. See you later. Thanks for joining.